Hi, my name is Chardai Fisher. Are you wondering, how can I get a beautiful copper without using lightener? Today I'll show you a quick and easy way using our ChromaSilk Creme Hair Color with our Bright Copper series and our high lifts to create an amazing copper tone.
Divide the hair into 4 sections by taking a radial parting from behind the ear to behind the ear and taking another parting from nose to nape. Use wide zigzag partings for a softer blend. Begin your color application in one of the rear quadrants by taking a 1-inch horizontal parting above the nape. Apply your high lift formula 1.5 inches from the base through the ends, making sure to saturate the strand completely. Take another 1-inch horizontal parting above that section and apply your copper formula in the same manner, 1.5 inches away from the base through the ends, making sure to saturate the strand completely. Continue the color application throughout the entire head using this same pattern, alternating the high lift formula and the copper formula, while bricklaying your horizontal sections for a seamless blend. Once all of the color application is complete, allow the hair to process at room temperature for 45 minutes. Cleanse the hair with Intense Therapy Cleanse and detangle with the Intense Therapy Leave-In treatment. Divide the hair again into 4 quadrants and apply the shadow root formula. Allow the shadow root formula to process 15 minutes at room temperature, then cleanse again with Intense Therapy Cleanse. Detangle the hair with Intense Therapy Leave-In treatment and dry the hair completely. For an added pop of color, apply your Vivids formula from roots to ends. Allow the Vivids color to process 20 minutes at room temperature, then rinse with cold water and high water pressure until the water runs clear.
Thank you for joining me today learning all about our Copper Cola. For more information, please go to PRAVANA.com. And if you'd like to hear anything from me, please find me on Instagram at Chardai Fisher.